In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Direct Play in Windows 11. We will cover two simple methods so your older games and apps can run properly. First, press the Windows and S keys on your keyboard together. This opens the search box in the bottom left area of your screen, and you should see the text cursor blinking inside the search field, ready for you to type. Now type Turn Windows Features On or Off into the search box. As you type, Windows should show a result called Turn Windows Features On or Off at the top of the list, with a small icon that looks like a window and a shield. From there, click the Turn Windows Features On or Off result to open it. A new Windows Features window appears, usually in the center of the screen, showing a long list of optional components with checkboxes beside them. Scroll slowly through this list until you find an entry called Legacy Components. It is usually near the top third of the list. If you have trouble spotting it, move the scroll bar a little at a time so you do not skip past it. Once you see Legacy Components, click the small plus icon next to it to expand the entry. The list under Legacy Components will drop down, and you should now see Direct Play listed underneath. Next up, click the checkbox next to Direct Play. When the box is checked, Direct Play is selected to be installed. If you see a solid check mark inside the box, you are good to go for the next step. With that ready, click the OK button at the bottom of the Windows Features window. The window will close, and you should immediately see a small progress box that says Windows is making changes, showing that Direct Play is being added. Wait while Windows installs the feature. You might see a brief progress bar, and in most cases this only takes a few seconds. When it finishes, Windows will usually prompt you to restart to apply these changes fully. After that, restart your PC. Use the normal restart option from the Start menu. When Windows comes back up, Direct Play is enabled, and many classic games that rely on it should now launch without complaining about missing components. Now for the second method, using a command. Right-click the Start button on the taskbar. A context menu appears with several options such as Settings, Task Manager, and different terminal choices. From this menu, select Terminal Admin or PowerShell Admin depending on what you see. A user account control prompt may appear asking if you want to allow this app to make changes. Choose Yes, and then a black or dark blue window opens with a command prompt. In that window, enter this command exactly as you see it. Enable Windows optional feature. Feature name Direct Play, all online. Take your time to match the spaces since a typo will make the command fail. Next, press Enter on your keyboard. The command line will show progress text while it enables the Direct Play feature. When the operation completes, it will tell you that a restart is required so the change can fully apply. Finally, restart your computer when prompted. After the restart, Direct Play is active using this command method, just like with the Windows Features method. You have now enabled Direct Play in Windows 11 using both the graphical menu and a command, so please give the video a quick thumbs up if it helped, and maybe subscribe for more practical Windows tips.